Oh, hey guys, I'm Wyatt Johnson with Homestead Properties. I'm just here cleaning out a place we bought a couple days ago. And it's probably the worst one we've ever done. I mean, look at that toilet. I had to put a shirt over it because I didn't think you'd want to see what was coming out of that thing. But I'll give you a hint. It's exactly what you think it is. Now, we buy property in any condition. So if you have a house that you want to sell without doing any repairs or any cleaning, give us a call. We can close on the date of your choice. All right. We're going to need a bigger plunger.